My name's John O'Mock. This is Bircham Farm. We've been a family-run dairy farm for the last 47 years. We were milking 150 cows through our old double-up parlour. We decided then that time to change. It was becoming more of a chore than it was a pleasure to milk in. That's why things needed to change. When we looked to upgrade the parlour, we went around different parts of the country looking at all various different makes and models, and Dairymaster was the one parlour that we kept coming back to. We liked how the baling system worked, the control it had over cows. The new setup, we are currently milking in a 2040 Swiftflo baling. There are ACRs, cluster cleanse, the Swiftflo commanders. We've got the drafting crate, the comfort floor, voice command, and I think other than having a separate milk line for dump bucket cows, I think we've basically got everything that we could have wanted. So milking time now, going from 8 hours a day or 4 hours each end of the day, we're now milking more cows, and we generally, if there's two of us in here milking, just over 200 cows, it's generally done in about an hour and a half. We've just seen a massive improvement in herd health, lameness, milk increase. Our fats and proteins were always fairly consistently good anyway, but we have noticed teat condition has been a lot better, no over milking. We find that the ACRs have made a big difference to that. The cluster cleanse is just one of those extra things to help us keep mastitis or any cell counts at bay. The cluster flushes, the right amount of chemical is dosed, and we know full well then that every unit is sanitised before it goes on to the next cow. The feed to yield is run on a very simple system where cows are programmed to gradually increase their milk over the first 18 days, and then it will flat rate feed them until about 85 days, and then the feed to yield will kick in up until about 6 weeks before drying off. And we've just found that targeting cows has been so much easier. Cows are happier, they're fed correctly, our cake usage has gone down. So yeah, it's been a massive, massive help. We were based around 27 to 28 litres in our old parlour, and our herd, we're now averaging 35 to 36 litres in this current setup, which I put down to better milking out, better teat condition, less time standing around, more time feeding and lying down. So the comfort floor was an additional extra that we added to make it a safer milking environment for everybody. Whoever's milking can adjust the floor height to whatever their needs. As regards for washing down, managing cows with heat detection, it's just, I wouldn't go away from it now. It's been fantastic. Yeah, the auto wash is, again, much of peace of mind. It's consistent, nobody can get it wrong. It's pre-programmed, and there's nothing nicer at the end of a milking. Once you finish washing down, you can walk out, push the button, turn the lights off and go home. The voice assist has been actually really helpful. It is probably one of the things I wouldn't do without. It's like having an extra person in the parlour guiding you or making sure that no mistakes are made. The auto drafting, I wouldn't be without that. Safety, time, less stress on the cows. We pre-programming cows into the system. However long in advance you want to do it, you can do it a week before, you can do it days before, or you can do it before the milking. It's just one of those things. It's one less thing for the person in the pit to have to worry about. If somebody came to me and asked what parlour to put in, I would seriously recommend a Dairymaster, purely because it's what we like. We can't fault it really. There is nothing that I dislike about the parlour, so it's one of those well worthwhile investments.